Like, what is the point of having a garage if it doesn't protect you from bird? Yeah. So here's the situation, guys. The car has literally not moved since Ford takeover, but apparently a bird is like perching itself right here on the hood and all over the fender of the car. So, okay, I'm done with my rant. I promise. Let's get on with the show. All right, boys, as you know, there is so much freaking stuff going on. It is unreal around here. Let's go ahead and start off real quick with Pop's car. As you saw last video, Pop's car is getting the sauce. It's getting the treatment right now. Nothing major, just kind of unscrewing up everything that was screwed up on the car slowly but surely. So that's what's going on. But I have had a lot of people say, what is going on with the red car? How come you haven't done any content with the red car? Guys, right now, I need to get the contour fans in the car. This fan is not cutting it, and the car is heating up in the summer heat. And I also need to change the thermostat and put a lower degree thermostat in it. So the car warms up. It doesn't get hot, but it's approaching 220. It has gone a hair over 220, and that's just not, I'm not okay with that. So that's not going to work. And right now, guys, between Project 4 to 8 and now Pop's car, the funds just aren't there to buy the other upgrades. Not only that, guys, but I've got my gear, my two-step that I want to get on, and the shop is so busy. You know, we haven't been able to knock that out. So right now, the Yodi swap is just here. It runs great. There's nothing wrong with the car other than, you know, when it's really hot outside, it starts warming up. But, yeah, I mean, it's one of those deals, guys, where I would like to get it out, but it's just, I don't have the time, you know, between the content and, you know, building the other two cars. This car, unfortunately, just has to sit. But I am planning to get this thing on the track very soon, so stay tuned for that with the upgrades. Hopefully we're toting the tires and running 10s with a junkyard truck motor, because that's been the goal since the beginning. All right, let's get on with it. All right, guys, so this is the situation. We got to help my buddy Stuart out, and honestly, I hadn't done an update on his car in quite a while. And if you go back a few videos, he's got the ultra clean black on black 93 LX hatch. And he's like stove in head first on it. You'll see in a minute what he's got going on. But the car's looking great. He actually hit a deer with his truck, and so his truck is in the body shop. So he needs the use of a truck, which we are in. So let's go check out what Stewie's been up to. All right, boys. So I know it's been a minute since we've been over here. Jason always doing work. Managed to get a little time off. So the car is like, dude, you did the third brake light.
Yeah. Looks like that.
Just needs a little sanding.
It cracked on me.
Oh shit, it did. It can't sand. It's all the way through.
No.
Damn. Not like I can't get it off, you know. But yeah, first guys, yeah, went ahead and he did the little smoke on there. But the reason we're here, the big story here is, yeah, with the bronze, doing the 5 looks. You already got the axles and everything in.
Yeah.
Hell yeah. Dude, these wheels are sick. These are the Series 3, right?
Yep.
SVEs with the bronze centers. Freaking crazy. So how's the clearance with the quad? Dude, you got the quads on.
No, that's the other one's reversed. This one's
okay.
the same. I just put it touches it.
Yeah. Yeah, that's pretty tight. Oh yeah. Oh well. Not needed anyway. And I don't think you had those on last time I was here.
No.
Maximum Motorsports.
Full box reinforcement kit.
Yeah. Dude, you've been busy. You got your tailpipes off. Trying to get them around the tire.
I took them off, take the gas tank down, and change the fuel pump.
Oh, that's right. Fuel pump and all that.
Sounds good, right?
Does it? Well, leave it off.
I'm going to put turndowns on it so I get the 3 inches off on it.
Yeah. Yeah, I got the, and this is the LMR, the 5 lug kit. Looking good. You can see the lowers there. Man, you've been busy. And then, of course, if y'all hadn't seen, if you didn't see the update last time, She's looking good under the hood too. Running good, everything. Now, this car is like totally transformed, man. It's been crazy. Oh, okay. There's the spindles for the front. Those look good. Those are the ones you powder cut or bead blasted, right?
Yeah.
Or media blasted. Yeah, those look good. Shot them with a little black.
Yeah.
And then you get some rotors. Gonna be badass. So yeah, that's the job today, boys. We're gonna carry his tires and wheels over and get those mounted up. And oh, okay. All right, guys, we're gonna see what it sounds like with just partial tails. A little cold start action. Tires there, got a 285 in the back, 235 up front. It looks sweet. Yeah, those are good. Let's catch it. Got it. And the last one there. Cool. It's gonna be sweet, guys. I'm telling you, I may still buy these exact wheels. I love this freaking bronze, and I think against the red it's gonna look sick. I freaking love them. It'll be badass. Get these bad boys dropped off here. Alright, boys, so we're gonna get Stewie's new shoes on. He's looking good shortly. Definitely got me thinking about those gold wheels though. Just like that, through the power of editing, we're already back with the wheels. Dude, they look sick. Yeah. Extra meaty too. Extra meaty and delicious. What do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah, these are like wicked. Super wicked. That's look, that 235 looks really short now. I don't know. I guess we'll know when we get them on there. Yeah. Oh yeah. This is looking good. What you gonna do? You wanna get one up on there? Yeah, those 285s are perfect. Yeah. Yeah.
Looks like it needs more meat.
I mean, you could, but yeah. Oh, those look freaking sick. Plenty meaty. Yeah. Yeah, man, you got yards of room.
Yeah,
shit. You got room for days.
one of them low riders.
Yeah. Hey, he could probably come down a solid 2 inches. Still though, I mean.
Solid tire, dude.
Looks good though. Look from the back. Yeah, she's meaty now. Got some meat up under her. Alright boys, so that's pretty much gonna wrap it up. Got the new shoes rocking, back is done. We're still piecing together stuff for the Cobra brakes up front. But already guys, what a freaking difference. I'm telling you guys, these SVE Series 3 wheels are ridiculous. And when I actually do go to buy a set of street wheels for my car, I'm going with these, because these just look ridiculous. You've seen a couple other cars on the channel with these wheels. They look amazing. So, and at some point he's gonna do the disc brakes in the back. Right now he's just trying to get it rolling. Limited time, limited budget, just like all of us. So, but either way, boys, looks freaking great. And the car has come so far since he got it. It's gonna be awesome. We'll have more updates. We got to get the fronts on. We'll do another update. Right now we're trying to, we've got all the spindles and the hubs and everything. We're trying to figure out that. So that is what is up, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. Updates coming on this later. Peace.